TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 1. You get the NASDAQ up 2. S&Ps are flat. Gold contracts trading up $8.80 at $1,344 an ounce. We'll see what the volume is on the bounce of gold today. The gold equities, silver equities came down with volume yesterday. Bottom line is that if you bounce up here today with light volume, you're probably setting up a small ABC structure on the way down. Silver's up 24 cents, trading at $20.42. You get platinum flat at $1,091. Copper is up 3 pennies at $2.24 a pound. We have light sweet crude down 85 cents, trading at $45.96 a barrel. We're going to be coming out with the oil numbers, supply numbers at 10:30 this morning. Notes and bonds. Okay, so notes and bonds went downtown yesterday, had an expansion of volume. You're getting a bounce out here today, and this bounce is on lighter volume. We have the 10-year note up 10 ticks, 132.26. 30-year bond up a full point, 174.25. More than likely what they're doing is that they're also setting up a small ABC structure on the way down. I do expect, we'll see how that finishes out. Bottom line, they've had a huge expansion on the way up. You come off the high. This is the third time we did come off the high with volume. I suspect it wants to do an ABC structure on the way down. King Dollar's down 192 ticks. You're trading out at 96.29. What King Dollar has done the last 4 days is continue to reject lower price with lighter volume. King Dollar's trying to make it up and over the June 24th sign of strength. I suspect what we're going to see is that King Dollar somehow, some way, wants to run into this 98.50 area. Right now, we're at 96.29. You have the euro trading at $1.10, and the yen is at 104.40. If we go over to the S&P, the cash first, what you're going to see is that the cash is over its highs. Cash out here today is trading at 21.51, so you're approximately 13 points over the high. What you had yesterday is you had the Dow Industrials take out its high. With that being said, what you have inside the NASDAQ and inside the Russell 2000, they're weak. Bottom line, I do expect what you're going to see is that the NASDAQ and the Russell go up a few more points. Why? Because the S&P, the Dow is going to drag them up. That being said, we're coming into a Wednesday. I figure today, tomorrow, you're going to get a little more juice. Next week, guess what? The NASDAQ right now is up, trading at 5,028. I expect you're going to test this 51.16 area, and that just may be it. And we're maybe the catalyst out here, folks, inside the NDX 100. The NDX 100 stocks, the bulk of them do not report until starting about the 26th or 27th of this month. That being said, one of the large caps that do report is Microsoft. And Microsoft got taken apart the last time it reported on the April 22nd. That's when Microsoft went from $56 and opened the following day at $50. What Microsoft is doing right now is pushing into that gap, and I do expect we're at 53, 57. More than likely, you're going to see it hit 55 and then give it up. So Microsoft is something you're going to want to keep an eye on in a big way. What you can expect out here today is you can expect slightly higher prices, volume contracting once again. Bonds, keep your eye on bonds, because the bottom line, if we are bouncing on lighter volume, that's going to be an ABC structure on the way down. And King Dollar is the wild card out here. King Dollar is refusing to get into lower price, and we'll see where that does shake out. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give a call at 855-750-4051. And don't forget, we had Chris Gaffney on yesterday. They got a great CD product. The funding for that CD product is tomorrow. Check it out on the front page of our website at TFNN.com, or you can also go to everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, many commodities are trading at relative lows. And now you can take advantage with Everbank's new limited time, 5-year, market-safe currency comeback CD. This indexed and U.S. dollar-denominated CD offers 100% principal protection and is based on the equally rated performance of currencies of Australia, Canada, Chile, Mexico, and South Africa. These 5 countries are especially rich in commodities, and their respective currencies are poised to do well should commodity prices begin to recover. Keep in mind that no APY, or periodic rate of interest, is paid on the CD. Don't miss out on this innovative new financial opportunity. CDs must be opened and funded by the upcoming July 14th deadline. To apply online and learn more about the CD, including product terms and disclosures, visit everbank.com/TFNN now. This advertisement is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.